Hi everyone. Today's tutorial will show how to create a cookie consent pop-up for a Shopify store for free. A cookie pop-up helps us stay compliant with privacy regulations and builds trust with visitors. Let's go step by step on how to set it up easily without spending anything. Now, let's get started. On the Shopify dashboard, we will go to Settings. Locate Settings in the lower left part of the dashboard. Once we click that, we are redirected to the settings. In here, we just locate Customer Privacy. Once we click that, we are redirected again to the Customer Privacy settings. Then, we will see this cookie banner. We click this one. Here, we will be customizing our cookie banner consent. We just have to turn this on first. The cookie banner is visible in different regions. Now, we can customize the colors. We can also set it to accept or decline. This will be our cookie consent. We can change the preferences by clicking Preferences. We can customize it, set personalizations as required, and adjust it here. We can choose to accept all, decline all, or define preferences according to our choice. Now, we can set it to light, dark, or custom colors if we want. We also decide where we want the pop-up to appear: lower left, lower right, upper left, center, or we just have to choose the position. Now, we can view it if we want to. Once we preview it, we can see the cookie consent button. When we are done, we just have to click Save. And that's how we create a free cookie consent pop-up in a Shopify store. It's a simple but important feature to keep the store compliant and transparent with customers.